A momentary marvel, unveiling the enchantment and majesty of churches in 60 seconds. Introduction. In the contemporary world, a fleeting moment can often be enough to capture one's imagination. This essay delves into the captivating beauty and glory that lies within churches, offering practitioners an enlightening glimpse into these architectural marvels in just 60 seconds. The architectural grandeur of churches, with their towering spires and ornate facades, represent a testament to human ingenuity and spiritual devotion. Take, for instance, the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, designed by Antoni Gaudí, whose intricate details and organic forms showcase an architectural masterpiece that took over a century to complete. 1882 to 2022. The symbolism of stained glass windows. One of the most striking features found within churches is the vibrant stained glass. These windows serve as visual narratives, each piece telling stories from the Bible in vivid hues. At Chartres Cathedral in France, the stunning stained glass windows date back to the 13th century and are considered some of the finest examples of their kind. C. 1260. The allure of Gothic arches. Gothic architecture is synonymous with churches, and its most notable feature is the pointed arch. This architectural innovation allowed for the construction of taller structures, as seen in the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, which boasts a soaring nave that leaves visitors awestruck. C. 1260. The spiritual impact of churches. Beyond their physical beauty, churches serve as sacred spaces for worship and reflection. The Basilica di San Francesco d'Assisi in Italy, where St. Francis of Assisi is buried, invites visitors to contemplate the life and teachings of this revered saint. 1226. The unity of church interiors. Church interiors are designed to inspire a sense of unity among worshippers. The nave, transept, and choir create a harmonious layout that encourages communal prayer and reflection. The Pantheon in Rome, originally built as a temple dedicated to all the gods, now serves as a church, showcasing this enduring design. 1609. The preservation of historical churches. Preserving these historical churches is crucial for future generations to appreciate their beauty and significance. The Vatican City's St. Peter's Basilica underwent extensive restoration in the 16th century, ensuring its continued survival. 1506 to 1623. The modern evolution of churches. Modern churches continue to push architectural boundaries while maintaining their spiritual essence. The Bishopsgate Institute Chapel in London, designed by Norman Foster, features a sleek, minimalist design that stands in stark contrast to traditional church architecture. 1963. By taking just 60 seconds to appreciate these marvels, one can gain a deeper understanding of humanity's rich cultural heritage and the enduring power of faith.